everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install the JogScotland app for an Android. First, you need to ensure that your phone has internet connection. It's best to use Wi-Fi rather than mobile data, which may incur cost. Once you've done this, open the list of apps on your phone and find and open the Google Play Store. In the search box at the top, as shown here, search for JogScotland, JogLeader, or JogScotland JogLeader, and any of these search terms should find the app. Click on the JogScotland app that comes up once searched, and then you'll be brought to a page like this. And from here, you can click on Install. After clicking Install, you will be presented with this notice. You need to ensure that you click Accept to make sure that the app has access to your camera to be able to scan the barcodes. Once clicking Accept, the app will begin to download, and then you'll be able to open the app by clicking Open. Now I'll show you how to use that activity tracker. So in this presentation, I'll show you how to log into the app, how to set up a new session on your phone, how to scan barcodes, and how to upload a completed session to the server. How to log into the app. Once you've opened the app, you will be presented with the screen here. Enter your parkrun barcode ID and password as shown. Once you've filled out your parkrun barcode ID and password, tap Authenticate. This will bring you to the My Sessions home screen. From this page, you can create new sessions by clicking on the New button on the top right. How to locally create a session ahead of time. To locally create a session ahead of time, for example, the day or week before, you are able to do so by tapping the New button on the top right. Once you've done that, the page will look like this. Click on the date field to choose a date for your session. It will bring up a calendar like this, which you can then click on the date you wish to select information for your session from. To get rid of the keyboard which comes up when you click on the date field, simply click the phone's back button once, and then it will be easier to see the calendar. Without the keyboard, it's much easier to see the whole calendar and select a date. Then tap in the location box to type a location, such as a community centre or an area such as George Square or Marchmont. Choose a rough distance and duration by tapping on the box, which will bring up a selection of distances to choose from. We give the selection of approximate distances as we don't track the exact distance for each individual runner, just an approximate distance for the session as a whole. If there are runners of different abilities running different distances, the leader can either pick an approximate average distance for the whole group or choose to log more than one session, for example, a 4-kilometre session and an 8-kilometre session, and then scan the relevant joggers to each. This will come up once you click on the approximate distance. From here, you can select the appropriate distance for your session, then click the phone's back button. Once clicking on the approximate duration box, you will be presented with a box similar to the one for duration. Select the approximate duration for your session and then click the phone's back button. After entering the distance and duration, select the back button at the top right to locally save the new session and return it to the default screen. This shows that the session has been saved locally as it has an orange circle next to it. Now I'll show you how to locally create a session on the day and immediately start scanning people's barcodes. To locally create a session on the day and immediately start scanning, follow the instructions from the previous section, but stay on the session view page instead of going back. Tap the Record Participation button to start scanning everyone's barcodes. This will launch the scanner, which is a camera viewfinder with a line through the center. The barcode scanner looks like this. Get the barcode in the viewfinder and position the line going through it. The app beeps when it has focused and scanned the barcode. Once scanned, the interface briefly goes back to the session view screen, then reloads the scanning interface ready for the next one. If the barcode will not scan, try slowly moving the device nearer and further away. If it still won't scan, you can hit the back button and you'll be able to enter it manually or exit scanning. The image on the left won't scan the barcode because it's not going through the red line. However, the barcode on the right has scanned because the scanner has gone green because it's going directly through the barcode. If the barcode still can't scan, then this notice will pop up. From this, you will be able to try and scan the barcode again, or you can enter it manually. To enter it manually, just tap on the manual entry button on the session view screen and manually enter the ANN of the person's barcode and then tap Enter Manually. To just do a single scan, tap Record Single Participant. This will bring up the barcode scanner. However, the only difference to the Record Participation button is that it doesn't reload the scanner once you've done the first scan. Clicking on the Record Single Participant button brings up a scanner again like this. Once you've scanned the barcodes, they will show up at the bottom of the session view screen in green like this. How to locally edit a session. To locally edit a session, for example, to go into a pre-created session at the start of a session and start scanning participants, tap the session in question to edit. Start scanning by tapping Record Participation, which will bring up the barcode scanner for you to start scanning people's barcodes. Once you've scanned everyone's barcodes, to save the session locally, tap the back button on the top right. Now I'll show you how to save any local session to the server. To save any session to the server, go back to the default My Session screen if you're not already there. Swipe the session in question either left or right. This brings up a menu, including Upload to Server, which you need to tap if you want to save it. If you don't currently have internet connection, it'll tell you this and you won't be able to upload. If it's too late to save the session, it'll tell you this and you can't save it either. The current cutoff is noon the day after the session date. If there are duplicate scans of the same athlete, it'll come up with a message like this and you won't be able to save it. Now I'll show you how to remove a duplicate participant. To remove duplicate participants from the list within a session, tap the session in question to edit. You'll know which athlete ID you need to delete because the error message gives you the ANN number when you attempt to save the session remotely. This tells you that you need to delete the duplicate participant with the ANN of A25830. Tap the session in question to edit and tap one of the instances of the duplicate participant. These are listed in green at the bottom of the session view screen. This brings up a menu from which you can choose to delete the participant, which will leave the remaining non-duplicate instance. At the bottom of the screen now, where it says all the scans, you can see that the duplicate scans have been removed. Once the session has been uploaded to the server, the orange icon turns green. Now I'll show you how to delete a local session. To delete a local session, which is one that has not been saved remotely to the server yet, you need to swipe the session in question either left or right. A local session is one that has an orange circle to the left of it. If it is indeed a local session, then it'll offer you a button to delete it, which you can then tap Delete Session. Now I'll show you how to access the TrackMeFit website to view the data created. TrackMeFit is the website used to collect all the data from all JogScotland sessions uploaded from the app. It's a website where jog leaders and JogScotland members can view their sessions in one place. Once the jog leaders have uploaded their sessions to the server, which is the TrackMeFit website, then the participants are able to see what they've done. Here are the instructions for accessing the website on your computer or laptop. The following screenshots show the TrackMeFit website should look like on a computer or laptop. Jog leaders and JogScotland members will be able to view their sessions on the TrackMeFit website. To access this website, open the web browser on your Mac or PC, and in the search bar, type the address as shown at the top of the screen here. Then press Enter. Once the web page is opened, enter your athlete ID, which is your parkrun barcode ANN number, and password, as shown. Once you've logged in, you can view the activity feed, sessions, and your personal barcode. It automatically opens to the activity feed when you log in. On this page, jog leaders can view the activities that they have recorded, showing who the jog leader was and how many people attended. If you click on sessions on the right-hand side, it will show you something similar to this, which is all the sessions you have uploaded to the server from the app. If you click on a specific session on the sessions feed, then you are able to see the session in more detail. It shows you the distance, duration, how many people attended, and the names of those who attended. If you click on barcode on the right, then this displays your personal athlete ID, which is what you will have scanned at the sessions. Now I'll show you smartphone instructions for Android or iPhone. The following screenshots show what the Track Me Fit website might look like on a smartphone. Type in the website as shown at the top of the screen here, and you will be presented with the login page like this. Log in with your parkrun barcode ID and password in the boxes provided, and then press login. Once logging in, you will be brought to a page like this, which is the activity feed. This is where you can see all the sessions you have participated in. To access other pages, click on the 3 dots on the top right corner, which will bring up a menu like this. From here, you can click on any of the other pages. This is the session screen where you can see all the sessions you have uploaded to the server from the app. From here, you can click on a specific session, which will then bring you to a page like this, which shows more details such as distance, duration, how many people attended, and the names of the attendees. To access your personal barcode, click on the 3 dots again on the top right corner and select barcode. This will show a page like this with your personal barcode, which can be scanned at jogging sessions. Thank you for listening.